Gots to go, gots to go. Yeah.
Oh
There it
my
is.
god. Oh my god. The
You have a gun
beaver.
on you?
Yeah, of course I got a gun on me.
For sure.
Let me put my mask on real quick.
Yeah, watch this guy
Oh
right here. You see
shit.
him?
Wait, add me. Add me as the hacker before you
Yeah.
start. My CID is 22603. Chat, we're doing a B class. We're doing our first B class boost. Let's go.
Alright, pull that gun out.
Yeah, baby.
Motherfuckers might be shooting.
Uh-huh. Yeah, you motherfucker. Yeah, stand up again, asshole. Yeah, f you. Stand up again, asshole. See what happens. You want the right leg? I got a mean right leg. I'm not scared. I'm not scared to hit somebody when they're down, asshole. F you. Sweetheart, he's bleeding. I don't think he's doing so good anymore. I think he's bleeding. Yeah, he's bleeding.
Yeah.
We got a cheerleader in the distance, too. See that?
Yeah, see that? Look at this.
All right. I'll
Your
get
seatbelt
started. Seatbelt is on, and I'm getting started, all right?
Appreciate it.
Yep.
All right, here we go.
Channing stream, let's go! Hacking a B boost.
All right, here we go. Going in.
Come on, bro. Thought I saw it.
Oh, Lord, I ain't doing so good. All right, just past the first one. We're at 89. I'm going to take a small break. Refresh my eyes.
All right. Oh, I just switched, bro. Where the fuck is 16, bro?
All right, still 89.
84.
We got
Oh,
cops
no.
on us. We're fine. Let's keep going. I'm not gonna do anything stupid.
84. I found it. Oh no, I fucked one up. Alright. I'm locking in.
Oh my god, I switched.
Cannot find this one. Oh my god, it keeps switching.
Oh my god, bro.
Alex, we might have to switch seats. Do you think you could hack?
Yeah, I can hack.
Alright.
Let me know when you're good to go.
I'm out of it. It's at 89% right now. It's in the glove box. Do you have your shit on you?
Yeah, I do.
Alright. Here,
So when you're ready.
I'm ready to switch.
Switching now. Go ahead. Give the key. Go ahead.
It won't let me switch. Wait, what's the seat? What's the seat? -1?
No, just like.
Oh, yeah,
I don't know.
Yeah. I know what you mean. Alright, I'm ready.
You ready? Ready?
Yeah,
Are you
I'm
sure?
ready. I know what you mean now. Yeah.
Go ahead. Alright. Just don't drive stupid, just keep clean.
Yeah, I got you.
I might be too drunk for the hack right now, chat. Like, I'm not gonna lie.
Oh my god. Our tires.
No way.
Yep.
No shot.
What do we do? I have a gun.
Looking fine though.
I have a gun. They're both on foot. You have a gun?
I do.
Yo, do you think you could call one of them? Alright, or should I?
Not far enough.
Yo, we could steal a car. Do you think we have enough time? They have the tasers out. What? The guy behind in the back has a non-lethal. He has a taser out. We could shoot these cops. Do you want to shoot them? We just have to say something.
It's up to you. Wanna go?
We gotta yell something at him. I can. Here, I will. 3, 2, 1. Catch the taste of this fire, motherfucker!
I got mine.
Both down. Get a card scram.
Both
Get a
down.
card scram. Do your own thing.
I don't have a fucking car, man.
I know. Just run in the hills. Run. Just run. We don't have time to like find a car here and do our thing, you know. I'm good.